Hey there! Today, we're diving into a topic that intrigues and affects many, yet is often shrouded in mystery: the science behind the female orgasm. Firstly, let's talk about what exactly an orgasm is. It's often defined as a powerful, pleasurable release of sexual tension, accompanied by a series of rhythmic contractions in the pelvic region. But what makes the female orgasm particularly fascinating is its complexity and variability. Biologically speaking, the process begins in the brain. During arousal, the brain lights up like a Christmas tree in areas associated with pleasure and pain. This triggers the release of feel-good hormones like dopamine and oxytocin. Next, let's zoom in on the clitoris, a crucial player in this experience. Unlike what many think, the clitoris is not just a small external nub. It's a large, highly sensitive organ with a body that extends several inches inside the body and wraps around the vagina. The clitoral network, when stimulated, sends waves of pleasure across the area. But the plot thickens when we consider that not all women reach orgasm solely through penetration. In fact, studies show that about 70% of women need direct clitoral stimulation to orgasm. This highlights the importance of understanding and catering to individual needs and preferences in sexual relationships. Another fascinating aspect is the role of the pelvic floor muscles. During an orgasm, these muscles contract involuntarily. Strengthening these muscles can not only increase sexual pleasure, but also control and the frequency of orgasms. Finally, the mental and emotional components. Emotional intimacy, mental relaxation, and a safe environment are crucial for most women to reach orgasm. The brain, after all, is perhaps the most significant sexual organ. In conclusion, the science behind the female orgasm is a blend of biology, individual anatomy, relationship dynamics, and psychological well-being. Understanding this can lead to a more fulfilling sexual experience and deepen intimate connections. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, every individual's experience is unique, and exploring what works best for you and your partner can be a wonderful journey. Until next time, keep curious. This script is designed to be educational, yet approachable, ensuring viewers walk away both informed and comfortable discussing this topic.